All right, first graders, I wanted to give you a heads up about what our writing will look like today. We are not going to be doing a paragraph writing every single day. Some days we are going to be taking a moment to really dive into our rubric and making sure we are checking our writing carefully. So today you're going to be doing some fixing slides, and you are going to get to be the teacher. So you are going to put your teacher brains on, and you're going to be looking at some sentences that definitely have mistakes, and you get to help me fix them. So I'm going to show you exactly what I want that to look like, and then you're going to move on to the next slides, and you are going to get to fix my mistakes. So right here I have a very small checklist. Remember our editing checklist at school? We usually check for lots more things than just these 3 things, but today that's what we're going to focus on. So if you'll notice, I have 2 sentences here that are not complete and correct, and we need to correct them. Now, on your next slides, there are spaces under each sentence, and you can use a drawing tool, but I don't think that writing the sentence again with a drawing tool is very easy. I think that is very difficult to do, especially if you're using your mom or dad's phone. So you do not need to write the sentence over again. We just need to choose a color on your drawing tools and fix the problems that you see in the sentence, okay? So the first thing we always check for are our capital letters. So if I look at my first sentence, we can run. Now, where do our capital letters belong? At the beginning of the sentence, unless there is a special name of a person. There is not a special name of a person in we can run, or a special name of a place. There are no proper nouns. So I know that the only capital should be at the beginning. This is the beginning of the sentence. Is my letter at the beginning capitalized? Nope. So I would take my drawing tool on the next slide, and I would make it into a capital. So it looks the way that it should, with a capital W, okay? Now, I don't see any other capitals in the wrong place. So I know my capitals are good to go. The next thing on my list is punctuation. Punctuation are your periods, exclamation points, and question marks. Those come at the end of the sentence. So if I look at this, this is the beginning. This is my end of my sentence. We can run. Now, am I asking a question, telling something, or am I shouting something of excitement? We can run. I'm just telling you something. So at the end of this sentence, I need only a period. So with your drawing tool, you would put a period. The last thing you're checking for is the spacing. So we make sure there's a finger space between every word. We can run. This sentence is good to go with the capitals, punctuation, and spacing. Let's try the second one. It says, how old are you? Say it with me. How old are you? First thing I'm looking for are my capital letters. Do I have any special names in this sentence? No, we don't have any special names, so we'll just put our capital at the beginning of the sentence. Here is the beginning. Does this look like a capital H to you? Nope, so I will change it to a capital H. How old are you? And there are no capitals in the wrong places, so I'm good to go. The next thing I look for on my list is punctuation. Punctuation comes at the end. Those are your periods, exclamation points, and question marks. How old are you? Am I telling? Am I shouting something exciting? Or am I asking? Well, I know that how is a question starter. Who, what, when, where, how. So that usually helps me know I'm asking something. And I asked the question, how old are you? I'm not telling you, I'm asking you. I want an answer. So I would put a question mark. And now my punctuation, good to go. The last thing I'll look for is spacing. How old are you? How, finger space, old, finger space, are. There is not a space here. But on your computer or your iPad or your phone, you're not going to be able to create space. So we will just need to put a nice big line here with our drawing tool to show there should have been space between those 2 words. All right, this is how you do it. On your next slide, choose a color for your drawing tool and fix my mistakes. You can do it.